The next use case we'll take a look at are event queries. Event queries are used to detect and investigate console and API access, monitor and gain insight into privileged activities, and detect account compromise and unusual user behavior in your cloud environment. Examples of event query investigations are determining all root user activity without MFA, look for stolen access keys, or finding account compromises. Once again, start event queries with one of the following constructs. You can use cloud account, cloud region, cloud service, or cloud type to narrow down the scope of the query. CRUD is an acronym and is used to search for users or entities who perform create, read, update, or delay operations, CRUD. IP allows you to specify a specific IP address in your query. A JSON rule is used to specify a specific JSON rule in the query. Operation is an action performed by users on resources. If you specify the operation, RedLock will offer a list of matches to the operation criteria. And user to identify a specific user or users, which we'll actually use in our example. So let's go ahead and start building our RQL expression and start our investigation. So I'll click in the text box. We're going to do event where. And I'm going to select from a particular cloud account here. Equals. Now, once again, what's provided by RedLock is contextual for the account that I'm logged into. And so it gives me the actual cloud accounts that are valid for this environment. I'm going to select AWS. And I'm going to add a user to this. So let's go down and scroll down to user. Equals. And once again, I get contextual options here that tell me that these are the actual users within this environment. I'm going to pick the top user and then hit return. So as soon as I hit return, I'm presented with a table view of records that have been provided regarding my query. And I can go over here to the anomaly column and I can scroll down and you can see that as part of my investigation, I'm determining that all these operations that were performed by this user were not characterized as anomalous. But as I scroll further down, you can see there is a record here. And if I hover over that icon in the anomaly column, it says this user performed activities that have not been observed in the past. So there was a criteria that was met that this is anomalous behavior. Pretty innocuous anomalous behavior, but definitely something that we want to be alerted to, just in case this operation is out of the scope of this particular user. And then once again, I can scroll over here to the right. I can look at the event details, and I can see the raw event as it was captured. And I can copy this to the clipboard for further reference as well.